In this video, we're going to look at adding files to your Microsoft Teams class. So from here, I'm in my sandbox class. You might be in a sandbox, or maybe you're in a formal class that you know you're going to teach this coming year. And we're in the default channel, so the general channel. And if you haven't posted anything yet, you should see something like I have on my screen. So it says, welcome to Sandbox. Choose where you want to start. So the first time you upload class materials, you can do, click this first option here on this screen. So we're gonna go ahead and click that. And if you notice above, it did put me into the Files tab. So that is, Files is really easy to get to. If you're just in the General tab, if you've already signed in and you've done some stuff, if you just go over to Files, you can get right to this page. So don't worry if you're missing that initial screen where it prompts you to add class materials. So from here, I can go into class materials folder. And now this is a space that it's read-only class files. So if I populate something in here, students can look at it, but they're not going to be able to change anything. Only the teacher will be able to. So from here, I can go into up at the top of the screen, I can go to new. So if I'm generating something brand new, I don't already have it somewhere else, I can select any of these options here. So any of the Microsoft products. I can also create more folders within my class materials folder. I can also upload. So we know from year to year, there might be things that you're going to reuse. So you can upload files or folders from a different space. So if I say upload files, I now get to just my normal PC folder structure. So anywhere that I have content that I maybe want to bring in to Microsoft Teams, I can do that using that upload file. I can also copy a link. So if I want to have a website or something that I know that I want my students to go to, I can use that. Oh, okay. This one is, I was thinking the wrong thing. This one is a link to the class materials folder. So if you want to share that in a particular, in another arena, that's where you can get the link for this folder itself. So from here, let's just go ahead and we'll just start a new Word document just so we can see what that looks like. So if I say create, because it's a new document and it knows that I'm trying to create something, it automatically opens this Word document. So now I can actually start creating whatever it is that I wanted to create. So I might have just some information. Maybe I include, so this is now like a traditional Word document in it's, operating within the browser, but I can insert a table, I can insert pictures, links, just like anything you would normally add for a Word document, you can do in this space. So once I'm done, I can go back to Teams. And now if I'm in my general channel under files, and now I see that class materials. If I click on that, it now has that Word document that I just went and created. So that's how you're going to generate documents for your class.